Hey friends, welcome to VisaView Learners channel, where learning is an adventure. To grow and develop more a view of a Visa, please like, share, press the bell icon and subscribe for more such projects. Thank you. With a diverse environment and vast oceans, our home with rich variety of ecosystems, from lush forests to barren deserts. A unique and precious planet in the universe, fostering the evolution and sustenance of life. Yes, you are right. It's our planet Earth. This video is the project based on our Earth. It includes basic features and statistics of the Earth, the three main layers of the Earth, and a brief comparison of 7 continents. Imagine sitting by a big glass window in a spaceship and looking at Earth. What would be your questions about our home planet? Would your questions be about: how does the Earth stay in its orbit around the Sun? How did the continents form, and why do they fit together like a puzzle? Why does the Earth have different seasons throughout the year? Well, here in this video we will try to answer all the questions which are arousing in our minds. The planet Earth. Our planet is a remarkable place, full of diverse and interconnected systems that work together to sustain life as we know it. From the air we breathe to the water we drink, the Earth's atmosphere, hydrosphere, geosphere, and biosphere all play important roles in creating the environment that we call home. Here all the statistics of the Earth are given. The diameter, the mass and the distance, length of the day and year, composition of the minerals what we get inside from the Earth. Now we will move forward to Earth's features. The Earth's features are the Earth's axis, the orbital plane and the equator. Earth's axis. The Earth's axis is tilted at an angle of about 23.5 degrees relative to the plane of its orbit around the Sun. This tilt is responsible for the Earth's seasons and the variation in daylight hours throughout the year in different parts of the world. Orbital plane. Earth's orbital plane is the flat path that it follows as it travels around the Sun. Equator. The equator is an imaginary line that circles the Earth at 0 degrees latitude, and it divides the planet into 2 hemispheres. Now we will move forward to Earth's internal structure. Here you can see the cross-section of the Earth. The Earth's internal structure is majorly divided into 3 layers: the crust, the mantle and the core. The crust. The crust is the outermost layer, and it varies in thickness from about 5 to 70 kilometers depending on location. It is composed primarily of solid rock and is divided into 2 main types: oceanic and continental crust. The mantle. The mantle is the layer beneath the crust, and it makes up about 84% of the Earth's volume. It is composed of hot, semi-solid rock and is divided into the upper and lower mantle. The core. The core is the central layer of the Earth, and it is divided into outer and inner layers. Next we move towards our beautiful natural satellite, Moon. Our planet Earth has only one natural satellite. Here you can see the statistics of Moon: the diameter, the mass and the distance, the orbital period and the gravity. The next, the comparison of 7 continents. If you need a complete detailed project on the topic continents, you can watch my latest video, The 7 Continents. Find the link in the description box or go to my channel and search it. Asia. Asia is the largest and most populous continent, covering 1/3 of the world's land area. Africa. It is the second largest continent, with vast and diverse landscapes, from the Sahara Desert to the rainforests of Central Africa. The American continent is divided into two large land masses, North America and South America. North America is known for its diverse geography, whereas South America is famous for its vibrant cultures. Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent and the coldest and driest place on Earth, with temperatures that can drop below -80 degrees Celsius. The next is Europe. Europe is the second smallest continent in terms of land area. Australia is the smallest continent in terms of land area, but it is the sixth largest country in the world. The continent is famous for its iconic landscapes and a wide variety of unique wildlife. Thank you for watching.